opportunities in the market. Ashish, hi, welcome to the show. Well, there has been a recovery which we've seen in the mid caps from the lows. We've seen the bank Nifty also managing to hold up. But overall, what would your call be? Because it's been choppy in the past couple of days.
Yes, absolutely. If you look at the overall movement of the market, it has been a lot of volatility, but within a range. So even if it went sharply upside, we can see 18,100 levels were touched about 2-3 days back, and again it went sharply downside. And today itself is a very high volatile movement. We can clearly see Nifty touching the low of around 17,820, 830, bouncing back from there 17,980. So having said that, it looks like we are stuck in a range with a very high volatility. So this is essentially an option seller's market, right? Like Manglam was also pointing out. What is important to also observe is that 18,000 call open interest has increased sharply, and 18,000 put we can clearly see unwinding is happening. So for Nifty to cross that 18,020, 18,030 is very essential. That can lead to short covering, and we can move up towards that 18,100, 120 level. So 17,980 to 18,000 is where I am keeping a watch if it can manage to cross that level or not. And on the downside, very important support where Nifty halted today is 17,830. So that's the broad range. And within this broad range, I'm more biased that there is a possibility of a breakout to come soon, maybe at a later part of the day. But the direction I'm not going to bet on in which direction. So if it goes below 17,820, I'll be looking for short positions for a move towards 17,700 levels. Keeping 7980 as the stop. So that's the range that I'm looking at right now on Nifty.
Okay, so that's the range that you're looking as far as the benchmark is concerned. Individual technical picks, Ashish, what would that be?
We can see some traction on the technology stocks. Sterlite Tech is the first peak after a lot of consolidation. There is a possibility this mid-cap stock can give a good breakout on the upside. It is some time. The volumes are huge enough. So looking like a good volume and breakout should now follow. So one can create long position in Sterlite Tech, keeping a stop loss of 166.60 for the target of 185. And the next stock on the buy side is going to be Timken India. Again, the stock has retraced nearly around 76% of its prior rise, and now showing a good morning star pattern reverse from there in today's session. Good volumes pick up. So we can again move back towards the level of 3325 on the upside. So Timken India, long positions can be created. Stop loss is going to be around 2,990 for the target of 3325.
All right, Ashish. Thanks a lot for joining in and giving us your views.